Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in this video we will discuss one more advanced coding question of TCS NQT. So this was the questions asked on day 6 and I have already uploaded coding question up to day 5 and you will get the code in C++, Java, Python. So the link is there in the description box. Go through the playlist and there you will get all the questions of NQT of all the sections. Go there and try. Okay, so but for now we will see this question and we will do the code in Java. Okay, but I have already uploaded the same question with C++ also and Python also. So whichever language you are good in, practice it. Okay, so let us see how to solve this question. So there are lots of details given, but let us see how to do it. So the question, you can pause the video and try to read the question. It is a bit lengthy. Okay, so I hope all of you must have gone through the question. Now I have made a diagram to just make you understand. So the question is like this. There are two cities given. This is city A, this is city B. And in both the city there is one road. So this is the road in city A and this is the road in city B. And the people of the city A, when they want to go to city B, they have to travel a long distance because between these two roads there is a river. Now they have to move through this road which is connected to a outer ring road. So it takes a lot of time to travel between the two cities. So they have decided to make a bridge on this road. So from here to here, anywhere they will make. Now see, all these things are not related to question. So question is just another thing, but they are trying to make some background. Okay, so this is just a method. So do not get confused. Question is just a simple one. So do not confuse by all these things that they have given in the beginning. Okay, we will discuss. It is very different one. Okay, so they are saying that now we have to make a bridge. Now where they will make the bridge? So from here to here. So they want some point on the road where they will make the bridge. And for that they have selected some hard point on this road. So you can see these red dots. These are some hard points that will be given to you in the form of input. Now these hard points will only be able to make the bridge. So there will be some hard points on road A and some hard points on road B. And what we have to do, we have to combine all these hard point and you have to sort it and you have to find median. So see, basically they are asking just that I will give you some points or some numbers, find the median. This is the question they are asking. So this question reduced to just finding the median of the numbers. So let us say I give you some numbers 3, 5, 7, 10, 12. So you have to find the median. That's all is the question. So all this village and all these things are just as it is. Okay, so these are the points as I told you. Now see the input, how it will be given. Now input is very important. So the input will be given line by line. So the first line of input basically says that this will be how many points there will be on road A. So if it is 3, so you can see 3 points are here. Similarly, the next line will be how many points will be given on road B. So you can see 5 is there. It means 1, 2, 3, 5 points are there on road B. So the first and second input are number of points. And starting from third input up to this, so this 3 means 3 points we want. So after this second line, take the 3 point and this will be the points on road A. And next 5 points will be points on road B. So that's why they have given 3 and 5. So let me make you understand. So same input I have written here 3, 5. So the first 3 from here to here will be points on road A and next 5 means next 5. So next 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be points on road B. So we got all the points where it is. Okay, so we got all the 3 and 5, 8 points we got. Now what we have to do, now come to question. So road A and B has some hard point done, bridge can be built. Okay, now they are asking to combine all the hard point of A and B. So 3 point and 5 point, combine it, sort them in ascending order, calculate the median. So see, they were just asking to calculate the median, and we know that to calculate the median we have to sort in ascending order, then only it is calculated. It is the rule. Now they are asking to just find the median. So the question is simple. Starting from the third line, we will take all the points, sort it, find the median. Okay, as simple as that. But there is one note, that when hard points are combined, the repeated position on the different road are dropped. It means there should not be any repetition. All the numbers should be unique. This is one more information. Another information is the output should be rounded up to 2 decimal place. Now this is very important. Many a time you will get this thing, that the output should be rounded up to certain decimal place, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now you have to make sure that this is satisfied. If you do not, even if your answer is correct and if you have not rounded up to 2 decimal place, it will be considered wrong. Let me give you an example. So in this case the answer is 4, but if you see the output, it is 4.00. So this means round up to 2 decimal place. It is very important. Many a time you will face through this. So this also we will see how to do. It is saying that after decimal there should be 2 places or 2 digits. So you can see there are 2 digits, 0 and 0. Okay, so these 2 things also we will learn. So slowly we are moving towards the answer. So now see how to do. So the 8 points we have given, that I have put it here, all the 8 points. Remove, we do not have to think about this. These are just saying that how many points are there. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8 points we got. So the first thing that we will do is remove the repetition. And for that in Java, we will use this set. Okay, so let us try to understand the code line by line. So the first input we will take n1, number of points on road A, n2, number of points on road B. Declare a set because we want all the numbers to be unique. Now this loop will run for n1 times to take all the n1 values. We have taken all the values, add to set. Similarly, next for loop will run up to n2 times, that is here 5 times. After this 3 value, we will take 5 more values, and that is decided by this number. Okay, so next n2 will take next n2 values, take input, add to set. So up till here I think all is clear. We just want the unique numbers. Okay, so the moment I will append each one by one, if there is repetition, which is there, 4, 4. So set will remove 1 because it make everything unique. So we got set like this. Now next thing what we have to do, we have to sort it, then find the median. Now the main thing is here, we will not continue with set because it is not possible in Java to sort the set. So what we have done, we have converted this set into a list, and we know that list can be sorted. So same thing we have done, we have converted this set S into list L, and next line we have sorted. Okay, now we have sorted. So let me sort this. So new list is here, which is sorted. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 7, 9, 10. These values we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 values we got. So we got the L, we make it sorted, and we know that the rule of median is to sort it, then find the median. So now last thing we are left with to find the median. So there is another thing. So now we will see how to find the median. I know all of you, most of you know how to do it, but then also let us see. Okay, because we are coding it. So to find the median, there is one prerequisite: number should be sorted in ascending order, and we have done that. Okay, next thing is to find the median. There are two cases: case 1, case 2. Case 1 is like this: if number of elements are odd, like here I have taken one example, 2, 5, 7, 9, 12. If I give you all this number and ask you to find the median, what will be the answer? So see, median in simple term is middle number. So in this case, if he ask you what is the middle number, so directly you can say this is, because before this two number, after this two number, so it is middle, and exactly this will be the median. So for odd number it is very simple, take the middle one. So in this case median will be 7. Okay, but how we will find this number? With the help of code. So to find the number, at first we want the index. So to take the index, there is directly formula n by 2. The moment you do n by 2, which is 5 by 2 here, for the odd number 5 by 2, so you will get 2.5. But we want, or we will do here, integral division. So it will be 2. We know that 5 by 2, if you do integer division, it is 2. So integral division is like this. If you will get 5 by 2 is 2.5, so integral division says that remove the decimal part. We got 2. So this index we want. And now if you check which is index 2, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So in this way also we are getting same answer. So whenever from now onwards you are asked to find the median and number of length of the number of elements are odd, just do n by 2. We'll get the index and see which number is there at that index. That will be median. So this was for odd number. Now if number of elements are even, so in this case, so here it was 5, now here it is 6. So number of elements are even. Now if I ask you, can you find me a number which is middle? So there is no number in this case. If you take any number, there will not be middle. So in this case, they ask us to take two number in the middle. Now if you take this two number, you can see here also 2, here also 2. So in this case, how to find it with the code? So here we want 2 index. So the first index we will get by n by 2. Here also. So the moment you will do 6 by 2, 6 by 2 it will be 3. And where is 3? So this is 1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this element we got. So this is the first index. And next index will be whatever index we got minus 1. Because we want the previous one also. So index minus 1. So here it was index 3. So here it will be index 2. And index 2 is 0, 1, 2. This. We got the 2 number. And now to find the median, just add this 2 number, divide by 2. Take the average. This will be the final median value, which is 13 by 2, which is 6.5. Okay, so this was the method to find the median. I hope it is clear. I have discussed the code also, how to find the index. Okay, so let us see the code. So same thing we have done. We got the L. We find out the size of this L. And we will take two cases. If n is odd, that is n modulus 2 equals to 1. If n is odd, like here, first case, if n is odd, just do n by 2, we'll get the index, find the value at that index. So same thing we are doing, index will be n by 2 and get the value of that index. L dot get index, but make sure you store it in double. Sorry, because we want decimal number. So we got the answer, just print it. Now this is the method to make up to 2 decimal place. You have to write everything as it is. String dot format percentage dot 2f. Now this 2 is saying that after dot we want 2 decimal place or 2 numbers. If you are asked to find up to 3 decimal place, just replace this 2 with 3. Okay, So this thing will basically print up to 2 decimal place. So I hope it is clear. Now this was for if number of elements are odd, and else will be if number of elements are even. So if it is even, we will get 2 index as I discussed, n by 2 and index minus 1. And since it is int, it means we are doing integral division, because int will never store decimal part. So we got 2 index, we will get the value at both this index, take the average, divide by 2, store in the double, print it. Now this is question for you, why I have taken 2.0? Because to take the average, we would have just done by 2. Why we have done 2.0? This is the question for you. Put it in the comment section. Okay. So this was all, and I hope it is clear. And let me run. And this was .2f is basically to print up to 2 decimal place. So now try to run a few test cases. So try with the sample one only. So 3, 5, 2, 7, 4, 10. 3, 5, 2, 7, 4, 10. 3, 5, 2, 7, 4, 10. 3, 4, 9, 1. 3, 4, 3, 4, 9, 1. You can see we got the answer 4.00. So I will put the code in the comment section also. Try it there also. So this is all from my side. Thank you guys. Take care.